Probably sitting down watching us this morning. Turns out many of us sit too much. We sit in the car, at our desk, in front of the TV, and at our kids' events. But the human body was made to move. So a sedentary lifestyle sets up for many negative health risks. But there are simple poses you can try at your desk to get your blood flowing.
Doing just a little curl, a little twist, a motion, rolling the head, standing up and stretching. The key here is notice that our body feels agitated, stand up or stretch and take a nice big deep breath.
Try setting a timer that will remind you to get up and move at least once an hour. Subtle movements like neck rolls and hamstring stretches won't replace the 30 minutes of exercise you should be getting each day, but it will help promote blood flow, joint health, and stronger muscles. Standing up and twisting or even standing on one leg will help too. Developing a healthy posture will strengthen your core muscles, which means less neck, shoulder, and back discomfort and better breathing. But the best part is you don't have to dedicate a lot of time to it.
We literally can break away from what we're doing for 30 seconds or a minute. So I don't care how busy anybody is, if they can take 30 seconds to a minute to take a breath and just move your arms and stretch.
Doctors say better blood flow will also benefit your brain and help with memory and focus.